Drainage sump is formed by stacking gravel bags to form a collecting well. It works as a buffer to enable safe drainage on slope land. It buffers the areas where water collects or where sharp curve occurs in the drainage ditch. It is used to avoid the strong water pressure damage to the drainage facilities. The concept of drainage sump using gravel bags as building materials is to reduce the difficulty during farming operations and to improve crop growing environment by collecting the existing gravels and rocks. The size of the sump depends on amount of runoff, slope gradient, and the direction of the connecting ditches. Generally, the sump is designed in rectangular shape. Gravel bag drainage sump has two functions, namely segmented energy dissipation and safe connections. It breaks the elevation drops to reduce water flow. It also collects discharge and runoff from all sources, then discharges into a downstream drainage system. The material used includes PET polyester fiber bags and infill gravels. The bag is filled with gravels and weighs about 25 to 30 kilos. There are 8 stages in the construction. First, observe the terrain. Understand the direction of water flow in the surrounding area, the locations where water collects, and the facilities in the surrounding environment. Secondly, design the style and size of the drainage sump. The sump is often designed with a rectangular cross-section. The size of the sump depends on terrain condition, area of contributing catchment, sediment concentration, and numbers of drainage ditches connecting. Third, select the construction site, outline the construction site, stake the outline, and estimate the amount of material needed for construction. Fourth, excavation. Excavation is done according to the design size. The excavated soil should be handled with care. Gravels contained in the excavated soil can be sieved out and used as PET bag infill material. Fifth, prepare the material. Acquire the PET bags and gravel. Fill the bag with gravel to about 50% full and then tie the bag with a rope. The sixth stage involves the basic treatment. After the excavation is completed, foundation should be compact and leveled. At least 2 layers of gravel bags should be laid at the bottom of the sump to protect the foundation. 7th, stack gravel bags along the side walls of the sump from the bottom up with sufficient overlapping within and between layers. The 8th stage is management and maintenance. Regular inspection is needed to check if the bags have collapsed or damaged, and then repair or replace immediately. The sump must be kept empty during the rainy season to avoid affecting its design function. Gravel bags are easy to maneuver and can be added or removed at any time. Drainage sump not only dissipates water energy, but also provides connection between the hillside ditch and the surrounding runoff. It can be used for multiple purposes, such as sediment retention and discharge stabilization.